Hey gearheads! Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt your steering wheel shake or your car wobble when you brake? Well, today, we're uncovering why this happens and how you can fix it. No need to panic or break the bank. That annoying shake? It's often caused by warped brake rotors, uneven tire wear, or suspension issues. But don't worry, we'll help you pinpoint the issue and solve it step by step. Before diving in, safety first. Park your car on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and use wheel chocks. Then, jack up the car securely. Remember, we're working with heavy equipment, so double check everything before starting. Step 1. Check your tires. Uneven wear can cause vibrations. Look for bald spots or bulges. Rotate or replace your tires if needed. Step 2. Inspect your rotors. Warped rotors are the main culprit. Remove the wheel and visually inspect them. If you see grooves or uneven surfaces, it's time to replace them. Step 3. Test your suspension. Grab the tire at 12 and 6 o'clock and give it a wiggle. Loose ball joints or tie rods can also cause shaking. To fix warped rotors, you'll need a wrench set, a brake caliper tool, a new rotor and brake pad. Start by removing the caliper assembly and sliding off the old rotor. If it's stuck, a few taps with a rubber mallet should do the trick. Slide on the new rotor and secure it. Next, install the new brake pads. Remember to apply brake grease to avoid squeaks. Reattach the caliper assembly and ensure all bolts are tight. Repeat on the other side, always replace rotors in pairs for even braking. Once everything is reassembled, take your car for a test drive. Brake gently at first to let the new components settle in. Feel the difference? That shake should be gone. And that's it. No more shaky brakes or wobbly drives. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more DIY car repair tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.